name is Jing Cheng. My metric number is 303641. I'm here to talk about the design process of our e-commerce website, which is Stationery Pop. So we created this website based on Wix platform. So we also created some features for this website. So the first one is homepage. So for this homepage contains about us, some items of our products, and also our team members here, and the last one, which is the contact information as well. For the first one, about us, contains the information of our company. So if we click this learn more button here, we will enter the welcome page of our company. So we can also enter the about page by clicking this about here, and we will going to go back to our home page by clicking this home. So the next one, which is the explore the store. So for this page, we can click this shop now button to enter our shop page, or we can enter this shop button to enter our shop page as well. So we added the products into the website by insert the image and also the description of the products here. So if you want to purchase the product, we can click this add to cart button or buy now. So here we're going to display all the items we just click and then check out. For this contact feature, if we click this button here, we will immediately go to the bottom of our page, and here will display the contact information of address, the phone number, and also the Gmail. So the map is also added to let the viewer know the exact location of our company and the contact information of our project director as well. And the last one, which is the shipping and returns features. Here we added the shipping and return policy of our company here. And that's all for our website. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Tim Singh and my metric number is 301187. The first challenge that we face when building our websites is the division of responsibilities. In a group assignment, it is essential to clearly divide roles such as content creation, design, technical setup, and presentation preparation. Without a clear plan, group members might either duplicate efforts or leave important tasks undone. For example, two members might both start working on the homepage while no one starts up the product listings. Consequently, it leads to inefficiencies, uneven work distribution, and potential conflicts with the team. And next, the challenge would be learning curve with Wix. Although Wix is beginner friendly, it still requires us to have time to understand its e-commerce tools, templates, and back-end features like setting up a store or product variants. It might take time to figure out how to disable real payment options. As a result, we may be lost trying to learn technical features, especially when we are facing multiple commitments from other subjects.
Hi, my name is Liu Huishan and my metric number is 301024. The next challenge is design consistency. When multiple people design different parts of the site, the visual style can become inconsistent, which different fonts, colors, or layout are used. For instance, the homepage might use pastel colors and rounded buttons, while the product page uses bold font and sharp edge buttons. With that, a disjointed visual experience can make the site look unprofessional and reduce the user trust. The last challenge that faced by our team is time management. Balancing this project with other coursework, exams, and personal commitments is a common challenge in the group projects. To illustrate, our team members delay work until the last few days. There's less time for testing, fixing errors, or rehearsing the presentations. Rush work can lead to mistakes, missing elements, or less polished final product.
Hi, my name is Liu Haoxiang, and my metric number is 305401. So, based on the challenge that I mentioned before, and we will have some solution for it now. So, the first solution is, so before we start the website design, we need to assign clear roles and instruction to each team member based on their interests. For example, content creator, we need to have the content creator to write and organize all the text and media. or maybe have designer handle layout, visual aesthetics, and branding, develop or technical lead so that we can set up the site structure and hosting and functionality. And also we can also have the project manager to coordinate the tasks and timelines. And the last but not least is the presenters. So to prepare and lead the presentation. Hence, this can help to avoid the duplicate work. We also need to kick off the meeting to discuss each member's responsibilities and set a deadline. So at the end is to this is to avoid delay or miss important part. So now we move on to our solution 2. Before we start our website design on Wix, we can schedule a time so that all the team members can explore Wix e-commerce tools and features together. Instead of enabling real payment option, we practice using test products and disable checkout setting early on to prevent accidental purchase. Next, we need to assign one or two team members to specialize in technical aspect of Wix, allowing the rest of the team to focus on design and content. Last but not least, all team members can watch official tutorials and follow the guides provided by Wix to get better understanding of how to set up a store or product variants.
Hi everyone, my name is Chong Hui Xuan and my matrix number is 304016. So as my group member had mentioned before, our group had met the challenge on inconsistency of website design. There are few solutions that should our group get it to solve the challenge. First, our group should implement a stronger leadership. For example, appoint a leader from the group. This individual would be responsible for overseeing the entire design team, ensuring that our established guidelines are consistently enforced, and providing continuous guidance to the entire design team. This central leadership will bring much needed direction and consistency to our design efforts. Next, our group can also have a clear roles and responsibilities. We need to define the role and responsibilities for each member on the design so that any overlapping efforts can be prevented. By clearly deadlining who is responsible for what, we ensure accountability and streamline our collaborative process. Finally, to solve the challenge, we can also have a communication channel to foster a more connected and efficient team. For instance, using platforms like WhatsApp specifically for design discussion, quick feedback, and important announcement can be significantly improve our real-time collaboration. This ensures that everyone is on the same page, information flows freely, and decisions can be made more rapidly. Next, our team had also met the challenge on time management. There are some solutions that can be used to ensure our group project execution and ensure we hit our deadlines consistently. First, we should have a detailed project timeline. This is about breaking down our tasks. We need to subdivide those large project tasks into smaller, more manageable, and most importantly, actionable steps. By doing this, we make the project less daunting, easier to track, and clearly define what needs to be done at each stage. Besides, we need to estimate time for each task. This isn't just about setting a final due date, it's about establishing internal deadlines for each of those smaller, actionable steps we just discussed. These internal deadlines are important for tracking our progress in real time and, more importantly, for identifying and preventing any potential delays before they impact the overall project timelines. This proactive approach will help us stay on schedule. Finally, we propose utilizing a shared document system. This means leveraging tools like Google Docs or Canva for all our project documents, research, and draft. This significantly benefits here is the auto-save features, which protects our work and the ability to track changes anytime. It ensures version control, facilitates real-time collaboration, and means everyone is always working from the latest information, reducing errors and improving efficiency.